Who is winning the cell therapy biomanufacturing market? And how concentrated is the competitive landscape? In the latest share analysis, Thermo Fisher leads the market with 9%, followed by Danaher Corporation at 7%. In the next year, Merck and Lonza Group hold 5% each, followed by Sartorius at 4%. Together, these top 5 players account for 30% of the cell therapy biomanufacturing market, leaving 70% distributed among other participants. This reveals that the market is a moderately fragmented market, where scale matters, but differentiation remains critical. Here, the companies are competing through advanced manufacturing platforms, process optimization, and end-to-end solutions. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360iResearch platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident action. Connect with 360iResearch and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.